Today we're going to install Eclipse for Java web development as a first step in creating a web-based application. First, we'll need to open a browser and go to eclipse.org. So www. And then we'll see the download Eclipse button. We want the IDE for Java EE developers, and you need to choose 32-bit or 64-bit depending on your operating system. And I'm going to download it. It will take a little time. Once downloaded, you'll need to unzip it onto your machine. So I'm just going to open it here. I'm going to extract the files and create a new folder. Now that we have Eclipse unzipped, to open it, we just go into the Eclipse folder and execute the Eclipse executable. And there we have it. It'll ask for a default workspace. We're going to use this one. And this is the Eclipse IDE. And this is the welcome screen. To get to the workbench, click Workbench. And this will be your default layout. We have the Project Explorer on the left. This will show you your list of projects and files. And you have your main content area in the middle, and panes on the right side and at the bottom.